The following video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall, skilla.
Brother, once a prisoner is being transferred from any parish to a next parish, that prisoner goes under police escort and that prisoner is handcuffed in the vehicle. Nobody not tell me nothing. If the Minister of National Security come out can tell people say this normal, people for stone him. Even when them a carry prisoner go doctor, they handcuff them. It looked to me like this man in at the back of the vehicle, in a handcuff, and he grab the driver back way, and at that send the vehicle a gully. I wrestle with the vehicle, with the driver. He grab the driver back way. At that happen. Me said the entire senior rank in the police force of St. James to get kicked out of the force. Because no senior officer cannot authorize a transfer like this. Brother, I'm a transfer prisoner already, you know. If you ever do this in a rehearsal, then kick you out of the force. Me say people need to call for the resignation of all of the superintendent them in a St. James. Brother, no prisoner no get transfer from St. James to Kingston, 120 mile, and they no have escort. A bullshit that, and them have a handcuff in the vehicle too.
My people, when you hear police, I say certain things about police, you know. Sometimes you have to think. When you hear police, I say certain things about police, you know, you must know that things really gone bad for them. I say certain things about them. You see me, I said to you? Yeah, that would have come like one time a female dancer fling off the wig in at the party. Yeah, that would have come like, you see me? Oh yeah, a dime of that, you see? Alright, so my people, the audio I presented to you is from a person allegedly who is said to be a police officer talking about the multi-vehicle accident that happened within the country of Jamaica on the 25th of October the year 2021 within the parish that is known as St. Catherine. That's within the country of Jamaica that claimed the life of a police officer and a person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith. So I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica had charged a member of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in St. James, Jamaica with murder. So I got information that the person who goes by the name of Andre Ruddock, and he's said to be 37-year-old, I got the understanding that he had been charged with 1 count of murder and 1 count of wounding with intent. I got the understanding that he was charged sometime within the 25th of October the year 2021 at the Major Investigation Task Force Division in Kingston. I also got the understanding that he had been accused of slashing the throat of the Appliance Traders Limited employee, Tanika Gardner, and wounding another congregant 2 Sundays ago. See, now remember, 2 Sundays ago from today, an incident happened that is believed to be some form of bizarre ritual, cult, human sacrifice thing. Just remember that, that's it. A police officer within the country of Jamaica had been accused of beating a female. Now, I got that understanding because of a video that I saw circulating on social media that shows a female with wounds and bruises on her body. In the video, you can hear a female saying some things, and according to some things that the female said in the video, I got the understanding that she said that the female shown in the video with bruises and wounds on her body had been beaten by a police officer. Viewers or subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you that I saw so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm saying. Now, please bear in mind that this video shows a female with bruises and wounds on her arms and face, and probably more places as well. You understand? So viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Look, I hear all the police them so. I look on these. I keep our party. I look at them beat up and kick up and do eh? Look at the police door, my name is Mr. White, work at Unspear police station, look at the door. Police brutality, look there, black and blue, that killer. No, we want justice.
My lip here now.
My lip. Everything I had, I chop out.
You know that rough, rough, you know? Yeah. Alright, so the Jamaica Constabulary Force made a post on social media about a missing person. According to the post that I saw, it is said that a person who goes by the name of Garth Williams is said to be missing. Age 23, last seen at home on Foster Lane in downtown Kingston on October 9, assumed to be the year 2021. It is said that he was last seen wearing a dark colored top, navy blue shorts, and black and white slippers. It's really sad to hear them things, I am a people. You see? Alright, next topic.
Now, cult pastor Kevin Smith was convicted for sexual assault of a male in Canada. Kevin O. Smith, the deceased pastor of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries, was convicted in Canada in 2007 for the sexual assault of a 21-year-old man. The police within the country of Jamaica confirmed this information, viewers and subscribers. However, it is not confirmed if he had been deported to Jamaica or not, at least to my knowledge. You see it? However, Smith was convicted on November 5, 2007 on one count of sexual assault and served 6 months in prison. It is said that probation orders for up to 10 years was also made. Smith, 39, died on the 25th of October the year 2021 in a car crash in St. Catherine, Jamaica, while being escorted by the police to Kingston, where he was expected to be charged for murder. Now, the reggae superstar who goes by the name of Jacure has been assigned a public defender and will be summoned to appear at the Amsterdam court in an open session in January 2022. On Monday, that would be the 25th of October the year 2021, when Jacure appeared in council chamber on Monday, that would be the 25th of October the year 2021, his pre-trial detention was extended by an additional 83 days. At the beginning of January 2022, the suspect will be summoned to appear at the Amsterdam court in an open session. Viewers and subscribers, no look like things are go good for Jackie at all, my people. I tell you, my people, it looks so. You see it? Anyways, me just make you know I go and big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. No big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.